We are different.
People eat different food in the morning. Some like cereals, some like toast.
We believe in different things. Some believe in gods, some believe in UFOs.
Some of us like to be loud and be in loud places, and some enjoy quiet.
We wear different clothes. Some are for the cold, and some are for the heat.
We come from different places. Some have snow and some have sand.
We have different hobbies. Some like biking, and some like music.
We speak different languages. Some people speak several languages.
We play different games and do different sports. Some play hockey and some play chess.
Even our pets can be different. Some people like dogs and some like cats.
We like and play different music. Some like classical, some like rock.
We like to learn different things and do different jobs. Some enjoy math and become bookkeepers. Some like biology and become doctors.
We live in different houses. Some are small and some are huge.
We come from different countries and continents. Some come from Africa and some come from Asia.
We travel in different ways. Some ride bikes and some take trains.
We choose different foods to eat. Some eat spicy and some eat sweet.
We have different problems, and we solve them in different ways.
We find different things interesting. Some of us watch birds and some watch airplanes.
Our hobbies are different. Some are relaxing and some make us sweat.
Our favorite stories are different. Some like mystery and some like sci-fi.
We celebrate different festivals and holidays. They are all important. We laugh about different things. We just love to laugh.
There are billions of us. Not two of us are the same.